Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into something super important, how to naturally repair nerve damage with the power of vitamins. Did you know that certain vitamins play a crucial role in healing and regenerating those tiny, delicate nerves in your body? Yes, they do! From vitamin B12 to vitamin D, these 7 amazing nutrients are your best friends when it comes to boosting nerve health and easing discomfort. So, if you're ready to give your nervous system some much-needed TLC, stick around! We'll explore how these vitamins work wonders and how you can easily incorporate them into your daily routine. Let's get started and nourish those nerves back to health together. Maintaining a healthy nervous system is vital for overall health, as it plays a crucial role in regulating bodily functions, processing information, and coordinating responses. A well-functioning nervous system ensures effective communication between the brain and the body, impacting everything from mood to movement. However, many people often overlook the importance of caring for their nervous system, focusing instead on other aspects of health. This neglect can lead to various issues, including stress, anxiety, and cognitive decline. In this discussion, viewers can expect to learn about essential vitamins and nutrients that support nervous system health, such as B vitamins, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. By understanding these key nutrients and their roles, individuals can take proactive steps to enhance their nervous system function and, consequently, their overall health. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for nerve health, offering significant benefits in repairing nerve damage and promoting overall neurological function. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation, which is crucial for healing and maintaining the integrity of nerve cells. Incorporating omega-3 into your diet can be particularly beneficial for individuals suffering from diabetic neuropathy, as they may alleviate symptoms and improve nerve function. Rich sources of omega-3 fatty acids include fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, which are not only delicious but also packed with these vital nutrients. Additionally, plant-based options such as walnuts provide a great alternative for those who prefer non-animal sources. By including these foods in your diet, you can support your nervous system and enhance your overall health, making omega-3 a vital component of nerve care. Vitamin B12 plays a crucial role in maintaining nerve health by supporting the creation of DNA in nerve cells, which is essential for their proper functioning and regeneration. This vitamin is vital for the synthesis of myelin, the protective sheath surrounding nerves, ensuring efficient signal transmission. A deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to various symptoms, including numbness, tingling, and fatigue, which can significantly impact daily life and everyday activities. To prevent these issues, it's important to include adequate sources of vitamin B12 in your diet. Rich dietary sources include animal products such as meat, fish, and dairy, making it essential for those following a vegetarian or vegan diet to consider fortified foods or supplements. By ensuring sufficient intake of vitamin B12, you can support your nerve health and enhance your overall vitality. Vitamin B6 is essential for the formation of neurotransmitters, which are crucial for effective communication between nerve cells. It plays a significant role in synthesizing myelin, the protective sheath that surrounds nerves, thereby ensuring their proper function and safeguarding against damage. Adequate levels of vitamin B6 contribute to the overall health of the nervous system, promoting optimal nerve signaling and reducing the risk of neurological disorders. To maintain sufficient vitamin B6 intake, it's important to include foods rich in this nutrient in your diet. Excellent sources of vitamin B6 include chickpeas, bananas, potatoes, and fortified cereals. Ensuring you consume enough vitamin B6 is vital for supporting nerve protection and neurotransmitter formation, ultimately enhancing cognitive function and emotional health. By prioritizing this nutrient, you can help maintain a healthy nervous system and improve your overall health. Acetyl L-carnitine is a powerful compound that offers significant benefits for energy production and neuropathy relief. It plays a crucial role in transporting fatty acids into the mitochondria, where they are converted into energy. Additionally, acetyl L-carnitine has been shown to reduce pain associated with neuropathy by improving nerve function and promoting regeneration. This makes it particularly beneficial for individuals suffering from diabetic neuropathy, as it can help alleviate symptoms and improve quality of life. While acetyl L-carnitine is available as a supplement, it can also be found in various food sources, including cod and chicken, which provide a natural way to incorporate this nutrient into your diet. By including acetyl L-carnitine in your routine, you can support energy production and potentially find relief from neuropathic pain. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, is renowned for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, making it a valuable addition to a health-conscious diet. Numerous studies have highlighted curcumin's protective benefits for the nervous system, demonstrating its ability to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which are often linked to neurodegenerative diseases. Research suggests that curcumin may help protect nerve cells from damage and promote overall brain health, potentially improving cognitive function and reducing the risk of conditions such as Alzheimer's disease. Given its impressive benefits, incorporating turmeric into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to harness the power of curcumin. Whether added to curries, smoothies, or teas, turmeric can enhance both flavor and health. By considering turmeric as a regular part of your meals, you can support your nervous system and overall health. Alpha-lipoic acid is a potent antioxidant that plays a vital role in promoting nerve health by combating oxidative stress and inflammation. Its unique ability to cross the blood-brain barrier makes it particularly effective in managing symptoms of multiple sclerosis, as it helps protect nerve cells from damage and supports overall neurological function. Additionally, alpha-lipoic acid has shown promise in alleviating symptoms of diabetic neuropathy, providing relief from pain and discomfort associated with nerve damage caused by diabetes. To incorporate this beneficial antioxidant into your diet, consider including food sources such as spinach, broccoli, and potatoes, which are rich in alpha-lipoic acid. By adding these foods to your meals, you can enhance your antioxidant intake and support your nerve health, making alpha-lipoic acid a valuable component of a balanced diet aimed at promoting overall health. Vitamin D is essential for both bone health and the proper functioning of the nervous system, playing a critical role in calcium absorption and maintaining bone density. A deficiency in vitamin D has been linked to an increased risk of neurological diseases, as it can negatively impact brain health and cognitive function. This highlights the importance of ensuring adequate vitamin D levels for overall health. Dietary sources rich in vitamin D include fatty fish like salmon, eggs, and fortified foods, which can help boost your intake. Additionally, sunlight exposure is a natural and effective way to synthesize vitamin D in the body's UV rays, trigger its production in the skin. By combining dietary sources with sensible sun exposure, you can support both your bone health and nervous system, promoting a healthier lifestyle overall. Neuropathy refers to a condition characterized by damage to the peripheral nerves, which can significantly impact nerve function, which can lead to symptoms such as pain, numbness, and weakness. This condition can affect various parts of the body, disrupting communication between the brain and the nervous system. Common causes of neuropathy include diabetes, which can lead to diabetic neuropathy due to prolonged high blood sugar levels, as well as physical injuries, infections, and exposure to toxins. Other factors, such as autoimmune diseases and vitamin deficiencies, can also contribute to nerve damage. Given the potential severity of neuropathy and its impact on daily life, it is crucial for individuals experiencing symptoms to seek medical advice. Early diagnosis and intervention can help manage the condition effectively, making it essential to address any concerning signs promptly. In summary, we've explored the vital role of key nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B12, vitamin B6, acetyl L-carnitine, curcumin, alpha-lipoic acid, and vitamin D in supporting nerve health. These vitamins and nutrients are essential for maintaining proper nerve function, reducing inflammation, and promoting long-time health. By incorporating these nutrients into your diet, you can take proactive steps toward enhancing your nervous system health. If you found this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video with others who may benefit. We invite you to explore more engaging content on our channel for additional resources and tips on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable information, so join our community and stay informed about your health journey. Thank you so much for staying till the end. Take care. Bye for now.